I'm so excited to make this quintessential Thai dish for you, the green curry. I have 250 grams of chicken breast here that I'm cutting into slices. The Thai green curry is a full-bodied, textured and creamy curry that is made so flavorful by the unique herbs and spices of Southeast Asia. The following ingredients are to make the green curry paste. Firstly, 3 small onions. I'm using small onions because I do not have any shallots. Next, 4 cloves of garlic, also cut up. The peel of half of a big-sized lime. The bottom bits of 2 stalks of lemongrass. Eight grams of galangal, known as lengkuas in Malaysia. Three coriander or cilantro roots. I'm just cutting off the tail end of the roots. One kaffir lime leaf. I'm removing the spine before cutting the leaf. Ten green bird's eye chilies. Now let's grind all this into the green curry paste. Apart from the foregoing ingredients, we also need some Thai basil, known as selaseh in Malaysia, 1.5 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon white peppercorns. Let's add a little bit of water and grind these ingredients into the green curry paste. Here we are, the green curry paste. Now for the assortment of vegetables that are going into this curry. 9 Thai brinjals, 15 sweet peas, 7 baby corn, Now for the ingredients to be used as garnish. 1 fresh red chili sliced, and 2 kaffir lime leaves cut into strips. I have 4 tablespoons of coconut oil heating up in the pot. Now adding the green curry paste. The flame is at medium. Let's fry this curry paste until the raw smell disappears. Belacan is an essential ingredient in the green curry paste, and I forgot to add it at the beginning. So I added 1 teaspoon of belacan while the curry paste was being browned. My apologies. The raw smell of the curry paste has disappeared, so we'll now add the chicken pieces. We'll fry the chicken pieces in this curry paste for 2 minutes. It's gone 2 minutes, so time to add 50 ml of normal milk mixed with 350 ml of water. Normally, milk from the second squeeze of the coconut is used at this point. Since I'm using coconut milk from a packet, I have mixed normal milk with water for this stage of the cooking. Let's now get this gravy to a boil on a high flame. Just look at this curry in all its bubbling glory, but we'll have to interrupt its exuberant dance by adding the Thai brinjals now. Adding the Thai brinjals. Let's now reduce the flame and cook the Thai brinjals until they are about 3/4 done. Adding salt to taste. Let's give the curry a good stir. Cover the pot now and let the brinjals cook. It's taken the brinjals about 7 minutes to become nearly cooked. I'm adding the rest of the vegetables now. Firstly the baby corn, followed by the sweet peas. As you can see, this is quite a nutritious dish. Now cover and let the vegetables cook for 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes and the vegetables are cooked. It's time now to add the thick coconut milk. 200 ml of coconut milk going into the curry. Let's give the coconut milk a gentle stir and wait until it comes to a boil. We should not cook the coconut milk for too long because that will cause the coconut milk to separate. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar going in to balance the flavors. The coconut milk is coming to a boil, so now it's time to add the slivers of the kaffir lime leaves. Let's now taste the curry to see if the salt and sugar are adequate. Everything's fine, so turning the stove off now. Let's now garnish this delicious creamy curry with some red chilli. Now give it a final stir and let it rest. Delicious, creamy, nutritious and fully loaded Thai chicken green curry. Enjoy, my friends. Thank you for watching. Until I see you again with another recipe, stay safe. Bye.